Are you sick of just pulling lists from different websites or trying to find a vacant property and coming across properties that are for sale and already renovated? This is where AI can help wholesale real estate investors. In today's video, I'm going to share my screen with you all, and we're going to use AI to find vacant properties for free and fast. All right, so first things first is I'm just on Zillow and I picked a random city. I picked Columbus, Ohio. And so this is going to be our city. Now from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. So now I'm on ChatGPT. And so what I typed in, I said scan areas for properties that might indicate distress in Columbus, Ohio and surrounding areas. All right, you should focus on the mix of specific neighborhoods, foreclosure data, and redevelopment zone. Columbus actually has several pockets where distress and redevelopment overlap, which is ideal for investors or deal finders. Below is a practical breakdown of areas and how to scan them effectively. So this is great. So I just use ChatGPT. It's free for everyone. Of course, you can get paid versions of it. And that's what I typed in. And so they're giving me not only a list of zip codes, they're also going to give me different towns, different areas, and how to find it, and the benefits and approach to each. So let's just go over a few. We're not going to read the whole thing, but let's go over a few of them and see what they say. So high probability of distressed properties, Columbus, Ohio, the west side, so Hilltop and Greater Hilltop. One of the lowest price areas, high renter population and turnover, so it's probably a C-class area. Older homes, deferred maintenance, good for tired landlords, tax delinquent owners, code violation. Typical is $120,000 to $200,000. So that's great. So they give you a neighborhood and you can type that in, right? Now, new downtown, so they have development, east side, so aging housing stocks. And then down here, they talk suburbs around Columbus with distressed opportunities, because I think that's where you find a lot of great deals, not exactly in the city, but those surrounding areas. I think, yeah, for me, it was a city outside of my main city that I found my first deal, and I know that will work for you all too. So look at these areas too, right? Now, the data sources investors use to find distress, Franklin County records to find these different things. If you're driving for dollars, look for boarded windows and all of these stuff. And then now they give you actual zip codes, right? They give us Hilltop, and Hilltop was, it was that C-class area. And so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to type in this number into Zillow. And that's the good thing about Zillow. You can just type in the zip code. And so from right here, we're just going to look at the different properties that they have, see if there's any signs of distress here that we can see. Okay, this kind of looks like it needs some work, right? Because they have trash in one of the pictures, but it doesn't look that bad. Actually, maybe this is a renovated property, actually, and it's just trash there, right? Okay, let's see what else we can find here. Yeah, these are smaller homes that are around less than 200 price range. Some 2-1s, that would be a great rental property that people can rent out to. But yeah, this is probably the hood of Columbus though, most likely. Here's a house right here, older home, needs work for sure. These pictures are horrible, but that can be a sign of a deal. It's vacant, so this is a vacant property, because we're trying to look for vacant properties on top of that. All right, potential. You see a limited DIY. They're trying to sell it for sure. This home. All right, and then you have more information like that. What else we got? Okay, a 1-1 right here. Okay, and so yeah, we got a multifamily for 1.4 in the area. These are 4 buildings with 2 large surface lots and a large green space. There are 16 2-1s on 2 parcel. So that's a lot of property, actually. So these are updated properties, just like that. So that's the power of using it. And so to drill down even more, what we can do is we can put something like DIY, because we saw that on one of them. Let's see what comes up. How many, just that one comes up. And look at a little outside the area, they have something like this that you all can look at too. And we can see that this house actually does need work, right? But this house is not vacant, but it's potentially a house that you can wholesale. All right, let's go to investor. That's a good one to put too. All right, so investor, investor, investor. So all these homes you all can target. All right, and then of course you can use PropStream to run it too. So let's go back to it. And then, yeah, they have, if I was scanning Columbus, personally, I will do these things. And so right now we're going to ask for houses that are not, or give us exact address of houses that are vacant. And this is going to be my first time doing this, so we'll see what they come up with. All right, so all I said was send me exact addresses of these properties that I can wholesale. So this was previously marked as an investor. This may be sold already. We'll see if this one is sold. I'm just going to put it right here and see what comes up. So this is off market and it was sold in 2020. But this is a house that you can still market. It's currently not listed. So maybe this was a house they were trying to sell before though. But this is a house that you can target for sure in the area. So they're giving you exact addresses too. What else can we do? So they give you different addresses that you can target right now in your real estate business. Recently sold investor type properties, good for ARV. So they have that information right here and they tell you how to do all of that. Hey, AI has a lot of features, a lot of tools for you all to wholesale real estate. Now, one thing that I want to do is I want to see if they can send me, well, obviously they sent me a property that's not listed. And so that's the key because you want vacant properties that are not listed. And this one's not listed, it's off the market. This is great because yes, you can use Zillow, but a lot of times they're just showing you properties that are listed. But this is a property that's not listed. And this is what you need to target as a wholesaler. So I would just look up this address, try to find the homeowner, trying to find the person who owns this property, go to the assessor's website and look up this property and see what you can do in order to wholesale this property. Now, let's see if we can go down and just see if they can find us like these different types of properties. Now, they may not have information about probate or code violation, right? Because that information is only by the city. But let's see what will come up if we type in one of them. All right, so I tried to say, hey, send me probate property. It says I can't directly pull live verified probate property address, which I thought. But I did find an example of probate type deals. So they're sending us properties that probably need, some TLC. Essentially, that's what's happening. So, for example, if we try to and then they give you the address, Franklin County Probate Court, and you can pull the records right there. This is great, you all. So you can find these vacant properties. You can find these properties that need a ton of work that are highly distressed. So let's just type in this property and see what comes up. Doing this together. Make sure you all do this in whichever city that you're in. We didn't get that. Oh, they couldn't find that address. What in the world? Let me see if I just go on Google and type it in. Probate properties in Franklin, Ohio. Oh my God, they have the website right here. It seems like tax latest data. This is an interesting website I found, you all. Let's see if they go to any city. Oh, okay. So this is okay, let's see the pricing for a tax delinquent. Oh, okay. These are okay. This is expensive. So that's a website if you all are interested, by the way. Tax latest data. You can get tax delinquent, probate, pre-foreclosure, code violation, all these different type of lists. So there you all go. Have fun with that. All right, but of course you can go to this probate court in order to find all of that information. All right, you all, using AI to find vacant, non-listed properties is incredible. You saw how fast I was able to find a property that fits that description. Make sure you all subscribe to this channel as I push more content and I put good content so you all can see it, so you can wholesale real estate right now. All right, you all, hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment down below, and I'll talk to you all later.